Hello folks, how you doing? It's Descattys. Right, in this video we're going to take a first look at the Exotac fire sleeve. Okay, so stay tuned and we'll take a look. So how's it going folks? So quite recently I purchased this fire sleeve by Exotac, and basically what it is, it's something that's designed to house the normal full-size Bic lighter. So it comes in two colours. One is completely black, and obviously the one that I purchased was the one with, because I like a bit of orange, this is the one with the orange, the main body's orange, and then the top part is black. Okay, there's two actual sort of points where you can actually connect a piece of paracord, whether you wish to wear it around your neck or connect it into a pocket or whatever, but it's supposed to be waterproof, obviously reusable. It's compatible with the Bic lighter, and then finally it's also got a gas lock in it, which is quite clever actually if you want to sort of keep the flame on your lighter for some time. Alright, so let's actually take it out of its packet. Okay, so we've removed it from the packet to have a closer look. So you've obviously got the lid there, okay, and then the actual what they've done, they've actually put a cardboard cut out of the normal sort of average, the full-size Bic that fits in there. Now if I actually take a Bic lighter such as this one, this is the full-size lighter, you've actually got a bit there at the back where there's a little bit of a groove sort of cut out, and that's basically where the gas lever goes. So what happens is you literally just push it home like so, okay, and that's the lighter actually inside the sleeve there, and then obviously the lid goes on any way you like on top. All right, now it actually says that this sleeve is waterproof for up to 5 meters for a period of 30 minutes. All right, so what we'll do is I've got a bottle of water, and we'll shake it into a bottle of water and see if it does remain waterproof. Right, okay, so we've got our bottle of water. We've got our sleeve there, so let's drop it inside the bottle there like so, and we'll give it a shake. Give it a little shake there. Right, okay, so now we're giving it a good shake. Let's take it out of the bottle. Remove the lid and see if there's any water in there. Well, obviously as you can see, the lighter is obviously, it's bone dry there, the flint isn't wet, which is what you'd expect from it really. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to wipe the excess water off there just while I sort of go through the rest of the stuff about it. Now, as I say, that piece that I mentioned earlier that's actually cut out of it, what that's designed to do is to actually slip over the top of the gas lever, okay, to keep it on while you flick a spark into it, and then you've got a flame, but you shouldn't keep it in excess for more than 30 seconds. All right, and then obviously you can then use it to light whatever it is you're using to light. I don't think I'm going to be using it as an everyday kind of, you know, somewhere still to just an everyday sort of thing for a lighter use. I think what it'll do, it'll probably go into some sort of like my emergency kit or something that I'd wear around my neck for such eventualities. If I don't want to use a ferro rod, my hands are a bit cold or whatever, then obviously I can use this, you know, sort of a kind of a fail-safe way of lighting my initial, you know, tinders or whatever it is that I'm using it for. All right, so there it is. Okay, so that's the Exotac fire sleeve. All right, what I'll do is I'll put a link in my affiliates in the description. If you're interested, you can go over and purchase one, and you can either, as I say, they come in both black and this particular color, which is a black cap with an orange main body. All right, so there it is. Alright, so thanks for watching folks. Alright, obviously leave your comments and your feedback on what you think. And Descattys signing out, and I'll see you on the flip side. Take care everyone.